Rolls-Royce will supply 350 MTU engines from the 199 series for new boxer-wheeled armored vehicles ordered by Rheinmetall and KNDS Deutschland for the German armed forces and international customers. The 8-cylinder engines, delivering 530 or 600 kilowatts, will be installed in vehicles scheduled for delivery in the first half of 2026. The order supports Rolls-Royce's expansion of the MTU Series 199 into a complete drive family with outputs of more than 1,300 kilowatts. Dr. George Stratman, CEO of Rolls-Royce Power Systems AG, said, "The new orders show that a new era is dawning in our industry. Today's armed forces need greater mobility, flexibility and performance, and we are rising to this challenge." He added, "With the expanded MTU Series 199, we offer a universal drive concept that meets current and future requirements. Our aim remains to be a partner that takes responsibility and offers decisive solutions that meet the needs of the troops." The Boxer armored transport vehicle and the MTU Series 199 have been used together for many years, with additional orders in 2025 bringing the total number of 8 V199 engines ordered for Boxer vehicles to around 400. The modular Boxer platform combines an 8-wheel drive module with interchangeable mission modules, resulting in numerous variants for European and non-European armed forces. All more than 2,000 Boxer vehicles ordered or delivered, along with their derivatives, are powered by MTU 8V199 engines. With more than 4,500 units delivered, the MTU 199 series is described as the most successful program worldwide in its performance class for military land vehicles used by NATO members and allied states. The engines are designed for high performance, compact dimensions, and high power density, enabling both new vehicle programs and efficient re-engineering of existing fleets. Building on this approach, Rolls-Royce is developing the 199 series into a broader family to meet rising performance demands and budget constraints. This includes announced upgrades to existing variants, as well as the development of a 10-cylinder version with up to 1,100 kilowatts and a 12-cylinder version with more than 1,300 kilowatts. Knut Müller, Senior Vice President Government Business at Rolls-Royce, said, "Because many NATO countries and friendly nations are adapting their armed forces to the current threat situation, more and more powerful vehicles are needed. With our 199 family, we will in future offer a universal portfolio of engines ranging from 260 kilowatts to over 1,300 kilowatts, which fully meets the current requirements of the armed forces for a modern drive concept." He added, "This includes not only higher engine power, but also the concept of maximum parts commonality. This makes it easier to replace drives within vehicle fleets and simplifies the storage of spare parts and the supply of troops."